Pabayaan ninyong lumapit sa akin ang mga bata, huwag ninyo silang sawayin. Sapagkat sa mga katulad nila naghahari ang Diyos, ito ang tandaan ninyo. Ang sinumang hindi tumatanggap sa paghahari ng Diyos tulad ng isang maliit na bata, ay hindi mapapabilang sa mga pinaghaharian niya. At kinalong ni Jesus ang mga bata, ipinatong ang kanyang mga kamay sa kanila at pinagpala sila.
How I made it over, you were the only way.
Lukuban nawa sila ng banal na espiritu upang sila ay mapuspos ng diwa ng muling pagkabuhay ng anak. Iniluhog namin ito sa pamamagitan ng Jesucristo kasama ng Espiritu Santo magpasa walang hanggan.
Lead me on, please lead me on. I may not have it all quite figured out. No, I don't think it matters. Think you like it that way. Jesus, you're the potter and I'm the clay. You're making me like you more and more every day. So lead me on, lead me on, lead me on. Please lead me on. It's not me I'm leading on.
Ikaw ay lilinyagan ko sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
I'll put one foot in front of the other. Oh, I won't ever look back. No, no, no. What you have for me is better. I'll let go of my past. I know that the future is nothing to fear. Oh, I know that you're holding it all in your hand. Yeah, you are. What you have for me is better. You will lead me on. Lead me on. You will lead me on. Please lead me on. It's not me I'm leading on.
God bless Adam Vincenzo para sa naging baptismo mo ngayong araw na to. Sana lagi kang i-guide ni God and esperyan mo na i-guide ka rin namin ng ayos. At welcome sa Christian World and yun lang po.
I didn't know where else to go. I tried so many other options, but I'm left with you.
Hi, Baby Adam! Sana paglaki mo, maging masaya ka lang. And I wish you all the best. Na maging maayos at maging matalino. Yun lang. I wish you all the best.
If he said it, he will do it. If he said it, he will do it.
Adam, happy christening, best wishes, and sana lumaki kang mabuting bata at makinig ka lagi sa magulang. I love you.
He's not a man that he should lie. Oh, if he said it, he will do it. I'm really walking by faith now.
Hi Adam! Welcome to the Christian world. Piling ko lang sana maging masipag ka, kasing sipag ng papa mo, kasing talino ng kuya mo, kasing takaw ng mama mo. Yun lang.
If he said it, he will do it. I'm really walking by faith now.
Happy Sunday po sa atin lahat. Happy christening sa aming apo, si Adam Vincenzo. Wish ko lang na sana lumaki ka kagaya ng kapatid mo, ng iyong mga mama at papa, na sana'y tahakin mo ang tamang landas ng iyong buhay. Okay. Okay, ikaw naman.
Para po sa aming apo, sana po lumaki siyang mabait, masunurin, lagi nang nasunod sa kanyang mama at papa, mapagmahal, lumaking malusog, bibo, matalino at masunurin sa Panginoon. Lumaki po siya, matupad lahat ang pangarap niya sa buhay. God bless po. God bless kami.
Oh, Jesus.